Explore a classic Bali single-story home. Minimalist design, open spaces, and luxurious decor. Step into the enchanting world of classic single-story Bali homes, where the art of minimalist exterior design gracefully converges with open space. Concepts to create stunning yet functional retreats. In this captivating video, we delve into the very soul of tropical Balinese architecture, celebrating the modern Bali house's seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. Here, elegant single-level home layouts merge effortlessly with luxurious home decor, revealing the secrets to crafting a spacious tropical retreat that embodies sophisticated Bali aesthetics and embraces both nature and relaxation. Transform your space by incorporating natural wood elements into your design, favoring airy open-plan layouts, and embracing refined tropical interiors that resonate with a tranquil Balinese ambience. Whether your goal is to design a contemporary island home or a high-end Bali villa, these expert tips offer guidance in achieving tropical luxury living through the lens of traditional Balinese craftsmanship. By integrating a warm, neutral color palette and nature-inspired home styling, you can create a cozy yet elegant aesthetic that harmonizes effortlessly with its natural For those who dream of a resort-style Bali residence that features a stylish minimalist facade, this video is a treasure trove of inspiration. Discover the timeless allure of Bali home design, exquisite outdoor living spaces, and the artful blend of tradition with modernity. Whether you're considering a home makeover or simply revel in the appeal of cozy yet elegant spaces, these insightful ideas will guide you in designing your dream Bali-inspired sanctuary. We invite you to subscribe now for the latest home design trends, ensuring you remain at the forefront of creating spaces that are both beautiful and functional. The video further explores how the principles of Balinese design are not merely about aesthetics, but about fostering a life of serenity and balance. By leveraging open spaces and integrating indoor environments with the lush outdoors, these homes promote a lifestyle that is deeply rooted in tranquility and mindfulness. This approach to design reflects a commitment to sustainability and a deep respect for nature, making each home not just a living space but a sanctuary that nurtures and rejuvenates. As you explore this video, envision your own slice of paradise, where every detail is thoughtfully curated to bring peace and joy into your everyday life.